Hi, my name is Mason Tai. I will be in this Block 4 Civics class, and my hobbies include cross country, which is why I'm on the cross country tier for SHC. It also includes playing video games a lot, and even though I didn't get to do that much this summer because I had to take a lot of college courses, I still enjoy playing video games. And as for learning, I feel I'm a visual learner, and I like to when I'm learning about something, I like for it to be visualized or that we do things together as a class so I have a better grasp of the concept to see what it's all about. And besides that, I'm really excited for the civics class because it looks like we're gonna like talk about a lot of current events, and I feel that's going to be very interesting and we get to see what's going on in the world nowadays. But yeah, I'm looking forward to taking this class, and I get the feeling this is going to be a good semester. Bye bye.